let's talk about the ultimate illusion, stereoscopy. Tom, what is stereoscopy?
Stereoscopy is really cool. We see in the real world in 3D because it has extra dimensions and depth. Some things are far away and some things are closer. A picture on a screen or an image is a two-dimensional image, 2D. Creating a stereoscopic image allows us to make those 2D images 3D. Then here's how you can make a stereoscopic image in your home. First of all, choose a subject. I've chosen my son's Lego creation, a speeder bike. Place it on a surface and then bring your smartphone or your camera so that you have the image in view. Then take a picture, move your smartphone or your camera 2.5 inches to the right and recenter the image. Then take another picture. Now print the images and place them side by side or place them next to each other on your computer. And there you have it, a stereoscopic image. Now we need to work out how we're going to view it.
A quick way is to use the wiggle method. This involves alternating the image back and forth quickly.
In this example, we have a GIF of two images of the sun taken by NASA. As you alternate them, they begin to take a 3D form. You can try this at home with two images on your computer. Just alternate between the two images, wiggling them to create a 3D effect.
Another method is the cross-eyed approach.
Let's go back to our stereoscopic image that we created earlier. Now what you do with these images is place the picture you took on the right side to the left and the picture you took on the left side to the right. Then you need to cross your eyes. Should we give it a go, Emma?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so first of all, you need to relax your eyes and then cross the images over, bringing the left to the right and the right to the left. What you should see is an image emerging in the middle.
Yeah.
Focus in on that image so it becomes one image, and there you have a 3D stereoscopic effect.
Wow.
It can be uncomfortable to cross your eyes, so if this doesn't work, the ultimate way is to use a stereoscopic viewer.
Stereoscopic viewers were invented hundreds of years ago.
Basically, our ancestors created virtual reality long before we even started getting excited about it.
Wow. Today's advanced VR headsets are based on traditional stereoscopes from centuries ago.
And the simplest one is a cardboard viewer. You may have used one before. They look like this, and if your smartphone has a gyroscope, then you can create 3D virtual worlds. Take our friends over at CoSpaces who have created an awesome educational app. Here you can create virtual worlds on your computer and then view them live in 3D using your smartphone and your viewer. You want to try, Emma?
Yeah.
So I'm going to place it in the stereoscopic viewer, close it, and away you go.
Wow.
You can use CoSpaces for free. We're going to provide a link for you to try it yourself, and you can also access cardboard viewers online.